Hello friends, greetings and welcome to Ish Kitchen. Today my recipe is Besan Laddu. You can find the ingredients and measurement to make the recipe in the description box below. So let's get started. First let us add ghee to roast besan powder. After adding besan powder, mix well in low flame. For 30 minutes, gently keep mixing so that the mix does not burn out. Besan paste is ready and should be placed aside to cool down. Move the cooled besan mix to another bowl. Add cardamom mixed sugar powder. Now add broken cashew. Mix it well till combined. Mix well and break the lumps. But do not overmix. The mix should have lumps for easy laddu making. The mix is now ready to make laddus out of it. Take a small portion in your hand and roll it to shape of laddu. So our shiny besan laddu is ready. Similarly, make laddus with the mixture. I am adding some pista for decoration. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.